So in this bonus video challenge, we're going to go ahead and fix a bug. Now while I was messing around, I'm going to go ahead and play this. I'm going to mute the audio so you don't have to listen to it. But you'll notice our score system is actually bugged. So if I go ahead and actually, let's go ahead and kill someone here. So if I go ahead and shoot this guy, I have 10 points, and then let's go ahead and kill another one. We're at 20. Now essentially what should happen if I die, it should get set to 0. And then when we restart, it should be nothing, right? Well, what's happening is we're never actually resetting that score value, and so it's never getting reset. So you'll see here it says score 20. If I restart, it disappears, but watch what happens when I actually kill another enemy. It's going to start off at 30 now, and there you go. The reason why that's happening is because we're not resetting that value. So what you need to do is you need to figure out, first off, where does that value come from? And then wherever we're updating it on the screen, you need to go ahead and reset it. So for example, the best place to reset it for me is going to be as soon as you die and this main menu pops back up, go ahead and reset this score value. Now, if you're not sure where that score value comes from, remember in the UI manager, you have a variable that holds the score. And from your player, you're passing in that score, or you're calling that score method and then basically adding 10. So we just need to reset that variable. I'll see you in the challenge review.